Greetings from frigid Cleveland, Ohio. We've been having a snowstorm here for about the last 12, 14 hours, something like that. Started last night, snowed all day. Now it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it has stopped snowing. So I'm gonna snow blow this driveway. It's hard to tell because it's drifted and there's been a lot of wind. Probably got 4 or 5 inches of snow. Should be fun. So if you're living in someplace warm and you miss the snow, now's your opportunity to sit back, drink a little glass of wine, and watch me snow blow the driveway. Woo-hoo! Everybody always asks me, how much? Well, I'm snow blowing here and it's right at about a foot deep, maybe just a little bit under a foot. So it's, fortunately it's really cold out here. It's about 15 degrees or so, that makes the snow drier, so I can pick it up and throw it farther. So that's a blessing in itself. So anyway, about a foot. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I got the front open. I still got to go out and hand shovel what the plow left behind, but that's no big deal. And I still got to go back here in front of the garages. I got 3 garage bays and a ton of concrete beyond that. It's about 150 by 25 foot pad of concrete back here. I got to open all that up so I can get it in and out of my garage and my shop and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're staying warm and that you're having a good January, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.